Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a payments gateway in WooCommerce websites in 2024. Having a secure and reliable payments gateway is essential for processing transactions and ensuring customer trust, whether you're adding PayPal, Stripe, or any other gateway. So I'll guide you through the steps to integrate it seamlessly into your store, making sure your customers can check out or go through the checkout experience with ease. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. In here, make sure to type wordpress.com and hit the enter button. For me, of course, I'll use my localhost. And if it's your first time, you'll be taken in here to this page. Here, you can click on Get Started to create an account if you don't have an account, or you can click on Login to log in into your account if you have an account. Of course, you'll be able to use a Google, Apple, GitHub account if you have one of those, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in here, and you can go to this list panel and check if you have WooCommerce yet. If you don't, you'll have to go and install the plugin. Of course, you can go to this list panel to install the plugin, go to plugins, click on add new, and simply go and look for WooCommerce plugin. So go here to search plugins, just type WooCommerce, and yeah, you should find it, as you can see right here. So you'll find an install now button like there in here. Go and click on it, and while installing this example, you can go here and read description. You can see the installation like process, the requirements specifically. This is what's important, like what PHP version you should have, which is the minimum, etc. Which version of this, and it should be greater. As example, recommended in here. And yeah, of course, you can see the frequently asked questions as well, what the change log, so what they changed, as example, recently. You can even see the all version here, so what they fixed, what they updated, what they enhanced, what they tweaked, as example, and etc. You can also see the screenshots, how once installed, how it's going to look like, as example, settings and everything in here, like the products page in here, as example, how it's going to look like on your store, as example, and etc. So all the other things you'll be able to see. And you can even see like the reviews of other people, what those people said, as simple as that. So once it's installed, as we said, click on activate. For me, it's incompatible with my version of WordPress, so I'll not be able to use it or activate it on my localhost. But for you, once you do so, you should find yourself here in this list panel with a WooCommerce option right now. Now, if you want to go here and add your payment gateway with WooCommerce, of course, you will need to go and navigate to the WooCommerce payment settings. Of course, like before that, you can install like a new gateway plugin if you need like a payments gateway that's not included like by default in WooCommerce, such as Stripe, Square, or maybe some local gateway like CMI or something like that. I don't know. You can add this with a plugin. Of course, again, you can go to this list panel, plugins, add new, because how to add it, like if you find this, it's very easy. You can go to WooCommerce in here, just go and click on it. Then you will find like settings in there. Go and click on that settings, and you'll find a payments tab, and this tab, of course, you'll find available payments gateway that's are ready for to be enabled, like PayPal, like direct bank transfer, like cash on delivery, or check payments. You'll find those 4 options. But to enable any other option, you'll need to add a plugin for that. So let's just say Stripe as an example. So we can go to the search plugin again and just type Stripe for WooCommerce. So WooCommerce, right, like that. And let's just wait and look for it. So as an example, here's it, WooCommerce Stripe Payments Gateway. So you'll need to go and install it now and activate it. If you need something other than like Stripe, I don't know what you could want other than that. So you can just, I don't know. So I'll just type payments for WooCommerce, and let's see which payment we'll get. So we'll get Stripe, PayPal, and I don't know what other plugins that you may find. So anyway, Stripe as well in here, and I don't know any other plugin, of course, that you may. So Braintree, I don't know even what's that exactly. So you can find it, of course, basically installed and then activated. For me, I'll not be able to use that as well because it's compatible or incompatible with my version of WordPress. And yeah, of course, normally the popular ones are Stripe, which is widely used. Of course, there is Square as well, because you will not find it. So Square as well, or WooCommerce, or Yeah, as you can see right here. Other than this one, there is the authorize.net. So authorize.net as example. This one is used as well, is very good. And yeah, I guess those the three like popular ones. Of course, there's local gateways depending on your country. You may find like some plugins. I don't know, like PayFast for South Africa, to Checkout or Razor Pay for India, like that. So keep that in mind. And yeah, after installing any plugin, you may go just to the settings and of course configure the payments gateway. You'll have to navigate to WooCommerce settings, payments, and you will find the plugins that you installed right there in the payment section, and you can start configuring it as it is. And once, of course, you have it set up, it's essential to enable this test mode. Most gateways like Stripe or PayPal offer this option, and perform like some few test transactions to ensure everything works properly for your customers. And if everything works, you can switch to test mode off and start with live mode to start accepting payments from your customers. And of course, for troubleshooting if necessary, you can check the plugin like compatibility. Make sure that the payments gateway plugin is compatible with your current version of WooCommerce. Enable any SSL certificates. Most payments gateway require an SSL certificates for secure transaction. Ensure that your website has HTTPS enabled. And like current configuration, ensure that the currency settings in WooCommerce match what the payments gateway supports. You can do that as well in WooCommerce settings and then in general. So yeah, as simple as that. So as example, add payments to WooCommerce. I'll just type that in Google to see how, or to show you just how the settings of WooCommerce payments is going to look like. So example, yeah, it's going to look like that. For example, to add your credit card, debit card, etc. Payments basically in settings, and you'll be able to add all those stuff. You can add a lot of stuff in there. And yeah, so add payment like gets away. Yeah, no, not this one. So gateway like this one example here. A lot of things, they will show you even how to add them like through plugins, through I guess settings, a lot of stuff. So you can go here, check like how it's gonna look like. So let me just go here and see like this. Those normally the extension. I guess you can even add Amazon Pay, authorize.net as we said. So the extensions. So if you didn't find what you want normally in the payment, you'll need to go and add it through extensions or plugins, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.